I suspect you've heard the term trademark before, but do you really know what it means? From those of you who run your own business, have you taken steps to safeguard yourself from possible trademark violations, whether they involve your own trademarks or trademarks of others? I'm L.A. Perkins, a brand protection attorney. I help businesses identify and protect their intellectual property, including trademarks, so they can avoid costly mistakes and increase the value of their businesses in the long term. I make videos just like this, educating business owners in all industries, from small to large companies, on how to protect their intellectual property. This includes trademark assets, so please check out some of the other videos on my website and YouTube channel, and like, subscribe, and share. In this video, I'm going to define the term trademark and explain why it's important to understand for you as the business owner. So, what exactly does trademark mean? A trademark identifies which person or company is the source or origin of certain goods or services and distinguishes the trademark goods or services from those made or sold by others. A trademark may take the form of words, designs and logos, or slogans. For example, with words, there's Calvin Klein for apparel, George Foreman for grills, Coke for soft drinks, and Apple for computers. An example of a logo is the Nike swoosh on footwear. An example of slogans are Wendy's slogan, "Where's the beef?" De Beers slogan, "A diamond is forever," and my law firm's slogan, "Get your brand armor on," for legal services. And there are additional types of trademarks. For example, sound. Everyone knows the roaring lion at the beginning of a Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer motion picture film. There are motion trademarks. For example, Microsoft Windows motion trademark. There's also hologram trademarks. For example, American Express has a hologram on some of its credit cards. There are color trademarks. For example, the Tiffany blue box, which is highly recognizable as Tiffany's trademark. There's also package, product, or store design trademarks, and these often fall into the category called trade dress. For example, Coca-Cola has a trademark on the shape of its bottle. Or for example, how you know you're in a Starbucks when you walk into one, because they all have very similar features and are designed to look alike. In the United States, trademark rights arise from use, not registration. What this means is you can't just protect a concept without using it. In fact, if you want to maintain trademark rights, you must continue to use the trademark. Although common law rights arise from use, there are benefits to obtaining a U.S. federal trademark registration. A U.S. federal trademark registration issued by the USPTO provides a trademark owner with many benefits. Those benefits include exclusive rights to use the mark nationwide in association with the goods or services covered by the registration, the right to use the registered trademark symbol to discourage infringement, and registration can prove ownership of the trademark if you need to sue to stop the infringement, meaning you won't have to prove that you are the owner of the trademark. The fact that you have a registration proves that. This will save you lots of time, lots of money, and lots of aggravation. The reason trademark protection is important for your business's success is so you can build your business on a solid foundation, so you can stop others from using your trademarks and not subject you or your company to liability for infringing on another company's trademark rights. If you properly secure your trademark rights, you will be able to stop competitors from using your trademark. If another company in the US is infringing on your trademark rights, that company could be profiting from your company's good reputation. And if you have a US federal trademark registration, you will be in the best position to stop the infringement which usually starts with sending a cease and desist letter. If you are infringing on another business's trademark rights, you can be liable for huge financial penalties, including being ordered to turn over all of your profits, and your company may have to stop using its trademark. This can result in significant operational and financial challenges if your business is required to rebrand. Infringement would impact the ability for your company to operate as a business and potentially lose hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. So, how can you protect yourself from this ever happening? The first thing you should do is seek advice from an attorney who has experience in these types of matters. One point I want to highlight is that it is best to act sooner versus later. Unfortunately, in my practice, which I've seen way too many times, is that a company waits too long to apply for a federal trademark registration, and they're not able to do so because another company, often in another state, has already applied for a trademark registration on the same or similar name. If this happens, you will not be able to obtain a federal trademark registration. And even worse, if the company that obtained a trademark registration finds out that your company is using the same or similar name as they are, and you started your use after they filed for their federal trademark application, they can stop you from using your company's name. This scenario is far more likely to occur if you start using a trademark without first doing a comprehensive trademark search, which is often referred to as a clearance search, to make sure that there are no other companies using the same name or a similar name. This is why it is crucial for you to have an experienced trademark attorney help you through the process. Do you know if you're protected from trademark infringement or if someone else is infringing on your trademark? If you're a business owner with intellectual property and are curious whether you're protected, please reach out. We can schedule a complimentary brand protection assessment and create a plan of action for you moving forward. I hope this video was helpful in you gaining insight into what a trademark is and why it is so important to protect. Feel free to drop any questions below and let me know if you found this information helpful. Make sure you watch my other videos on how to protect your business's brand assets. I'm L.A. Perkins. Call my office today and get your brand armor on. I look forward to speaking with you.